What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Artie, man. We're finally gonna work on the BMW E36. Like I told you guys, I've ordered a few parts, exterior pieces and things that are actually very important to the car. And we're gonna start off with the most important part that I want to replace right now. And by the way, stay tuned because the car is going to the shop probably next week for a full overhaul on the suspension. But let's get into today's repair and what we're gonna do right here, because this is a very important piece. If you have an E36 and it is cracked, I suggest you repair it, and I'll tell you guys how to do it and how much it cost me to do this myself at home. Alright guys, we are in the garage, took out the Porsche GT4. It's literally like 90 degrees outside, 11 o'clock in the morning in Southern California. So let me tell you guys what we're going to be replacing. The first thing that we're going to touch on this car is the windshield cowl, and I'll show you the part right now. So this right here is the windshield cowl, and the thing is, besides the fact that it fades through time and it just looks ugly like this, the issue is you get cracks right here in the rubber piece, which kind of seals the windshield and anything to go underneath of it. And what happens is when you get water, you have a lot of wires and a lot of electrical components underneath, and if you get water over there, you might get a lot of damage and your whole electrical thing will go haywire. So I ordered a windshield cowl from BMW. This is actually a BMW part right here. And this wasn't all that much expensive. Well, it is actually expensive. It was like $129. I could have ordered maybe an aftermarket piece or a piece from another BMW source on the internet, but I just wanted to do BMW because, like I mentioned, this is all this project is all BMW. I want all the BMW parts. These clips right here. So these outside clips, I'll show you guys how to do it in the video. You kind of unscrew them and they pop off. So you need 6 of these. These little pieces right here are $7.50 a pop. And these clips, when you replace it, they slide on right here. I don't know if you guys can see. And then when you push it in, it kind of clips. And then you have these small that actually go into the body of the car. So the clip ends up going into here, and that's what keeps it in place. I got some WD-40 because what we have to do is we have to remove the windshield whole assembly right here to get underneath. And I ordered this on the internet. You could pick this up like at an Advance or a Pep Boys for like 29 bucks. So basically, if it's hard to take off, we'll use this. We're not gonna risk it, but just not to break it to cause any damage, because then you got a big problem. We're gonna need a Sharpie. My kids took all the black ones, so we'll use a different color one to kind of mark where we're taking a windshield assembly so we know how to put it back together. Got my sockets outside. I think we're gonna use a 14 or a 13, but when I take off the rubber caps, we'll figure that part out. So let's get right into the project, and I'll kind of give you guys a video and some text on what I'm doing and how the process is going. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Alright guys, so the cowl that was originally in the car is finally out. It was not that hard to take out. The corner pieces that go under the windshield, that was a little bit hard to pull out because of the clearance with the hood, but it is done. Let's take a look over here. So the issue is now what you got to do is clean out the body, because it is filthy. Through all those years, you have things accumulate, a lot of leaves, dried up stuff. So we'll clean all that out, vacuum it, Windex the windshield, make sure everything's looking new, and then we'll start installing the brand new cowl. Alright guys, we finally finished up. It took about an hour, hour and a half. It was pretty hard because I kind of did half of the job myself. I didn't have somebody handing me the tools and all that. And to align the clips, that was the thing that I was really worried about, because if I pounded them and they didn't get into the position correctly, I would have cracked them. So finished up, let's take a look at what we got. Alright, so everything looks good. Looks 100 times better than what it was. That faded old one looked horrible. This was pretty easy. Everything was easy. The hardest part was just to get the thing right under the corner. That was a little bit difficult, but look at that, straight line, no water gaps, none of that, no gaps at all for the water or leaves or anything to get under. Pretty good results right here. Everything looks pretty good. We're gonna move on to the next item to replace on the car in future video, but look at the old piece. Just take a look at this right here. Look how bad it looks compared to what we got over here. Old faded plastics make the car look so much worse than what it looks now. Look at that. Alright, so we're done with the windshield cowl project. Thanks again for watching. If you have any questions, comment them below. Catch you in the next video, probably the suspension upgrade, and then we'll do the exterior plastic pieces later. Thanks again for watching. We'll catch you on the next video. Peace.